In this video, we want to extract the date with a long format, meaning that we're going to be able to see the day and a date all into the same output. So for this function to work, we're going to need two variables here, one for the myDate, which is the current date, and one called extracted long date, which is going to be the output. So first we're going to set the current date and time with myDate equal now, and then we're going to display it initially in a message box. Then we're going to retrieve the date and the long format of it by using the variable extracted long date equals FormatDateTime, and the first parameter is going to be the variable myDate, and the second parameter here is going to be vbLongDate, which indicates that we want the long format of the date. And then we're going to display this output. So when I launch the macro, I can see that we are right now on the 19th of November 2020, and it's 11:05 a.m. And when I click OK, then now I can only see the long format of the date, so Thursday, November 19, 2020, so in letters.